50 essential airport phrases you need to know.
At the check-in counter.
Where do I check in for my flight?
Please go to counter 5. They'll assist you there.
Can I choose a window seat?
Yes, let me check availability for you.
What do I do with my luggage?
Place it on the belt, and we'll tag it for your flight.
Do I need my passport here?
Yes, please show your passport and ticket.
Where do I go after check-in?
Head to security, follow the signs for departures.
Security check.
Do I need to take my laptop out?
Yes, place it in a separate tray.
Can I keep my water bottle?
No, liquids over 100 milliliters are not allowed.
Should I take off my jacket?
Yes, please remove your jacket for screening.
What happens if I forget something here?
You can check with lost and found later.
Can I bring snacks through security?
Yes, solid snacks are allowed.
At the information desk.
Where can I find gate 20?
Follow the signs to the left. It's about a 5-minute walk.
Can I get a map of the airport?
Sure, here you go.
Is there a place to charge my phone?
Yes, charging stations are near the gates.
Can you tell me where the restrooms are?
They're just around the corner, near gate 10.
What time does my flight board?
Check your boarding pass. It says 3:30 p.m.
At the duty-free shop.
Can I buy perfume here?
Yes, we have a wide selection over there.
Is this price in local currency?
Yes, all prices are in local currency.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Absolutely, we accept all major cards.
Do I need to show my boarding pass?
Yes, please show it at the counter.
Is this shop after security?
Yes, it's in the departure lounge.
The money exchange.
Where can I exchange currency?
The money exchange counter is near gate 5.
Can I exchange dollars for euros here?
Yes, we handle all major currencies.
What is the exchange rate?
Today, it's $1 for 0.85 euros.
Is there a fee for exchanging money?
Yes, the fee is 2%.
Do you accept small bills?
Yes, we can exchange small bills too.
At the taxi stand.
Where can I get a taxi?
Taxis are outside the arrivals area.
Can I share a taxi with someone?
Yes, you can ask the driver about shared rides.
How much does it cost to the city center?
It's about $30 depending on traffic.
Do taxis here accept credit cards?
Yes, most taxis accept cards.
Is there a taxi app I can use?
Yes, you can use Uber or the local taxi app.
Boarding area.
How do I know when to board?
Listen for announcements or check the screens.
Can I board early with kids?
Yes, families with children board first.
Where can I sit while I wait?
There are seats near your gate.
What happens if my gate changes?
Check the screens or listen for updates.
Can I eat in the waiting area?
Yes, food is allowed here.
Customer service.
I lost my boarding pass. What do I do?
Go to the airline counter for a reprint.
My flight is delayed. What should I do?
Check with your airline for updated information.
Can I change my seat?
Yes, ask at the airline desk or during check-in.
What do I do if my luggage is lost?
File a report at the baggage claim desk.
Where can I get a refund for my ticket?
Contact your airline or travel agent.
Where can I buy a SIM card?
At the mobile shop near the arrivals hall.
Is there free Wi-Fi in the airport?
Yes, connect to the airport's Wi-Fi network.
Can I leave the airport during a layover?
Yes, but check your visa requirements.
Where is the smoking area?
It's outside the main entrance.
Can I take a shower here?
Yes, there's a shower facility near the lounges.
Emergency assistance.
What do I do if I lose my passport?
Go to the airport police or your country's consulates.
Is there a doctor at the airport?
Yes. Visit the medical center near gate 15.
Where is the emergency exit?
Follow the green signs for emergency exits.
Can someone help me carry my bags?
Yes, look for a porter service near the entrance. Who do I call if I need help? Use the airport information phones or visit the help desk.
Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.